If you don't like spending a fortune but still want to look fabulous, then Apna Shop 24 is your new best friend. At Apna Shop 24, we've got everything you need for a stylish, lavish lifestyle, all in one place. Whether you're looking for chic women's fashion, trendy men's clothing, adorable kids wear, or the latest skincare cosmetics, we've got you covered. But wait, there's more. Need to jazz up your home? Check out our stunning home decor items that'll give your space that perfect touch of elegance. Hair removal products? We have those too. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to smooth, flawless skin. Shopping with us is a breeze. Browse, click, and get your style fix delivered right to your door. Plus, with our affordable prices, you can look fabulous without splurging. So why wait? Head over to apnashop24.com and explore our diverse range of fashionable finds. Join our community of trendsetters and elevate your style 24/7. Remember, at Apna Shop 24, it's all about style, affordability, and convenience. Happy shopping, lovelies! Visit apnashop24.com today.